What is behind me is a brand new floor plan, Rockwood Geo Pro 20BS. It is a Geo Pro with a slide, but what it catch my eyes and it make a surprise, come with two ACs as well, the two 200-watt solar panel. Let's go show the outside of the Geo Pro, and we're gonna go see the new floor plan from inside. The outside, as you see, it's a beautiful automotive window in the front, LED light, 2 propane tank with the cover, electric tongue jack in the front. And then we have a beautiful power awning, and you could see this power awning from front to the end of the unit. It's a complete power awning with outside speakers. It has the big slam luggage door, as you see here. Look, all this aluminum construction. That's a big deal because the Geo Pro is a 6-wall aluminum frame. Now, nice tip. I like the tires, off-road tires. The Geo Pro, we talked about it before. It has a torsion bar axle, and then they give you the 10-year warranty. This is a sticker from Forest River to tell you it's a 6-side aluminum frame. It comes with outside barbecue grill hookup outside, a spare tire underneath, 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And one features about the Geo Pros is they come with automotive window and frameless window, as you see here. So there's no frame, no need to caulk and nothing. So this is a frameless window on the Geo Pro. They provide you with the ladder, not like some other brands. You buy the expandable one. It comes with outside ladder, as you see. Nice frame window, backup monitor prep. Come with a class 3 hitch. You could pull a small boat, or a lot of people, what they do is a bike rack or a tray where you put your ice chest or lounge chairs. This is storage underneath the bed in the Geo Pro. If the cameraman come back and show them how big the storage underneath the bed. So this is the first Geo Pro with a bedroom slide. And if it catch me, bedroom slide and a Geo Pro, it's like, whoa, wait a minute, this is new. And would it catch my eyes, 2 AC, woo, I'm anxious to see what's inside. Outside shower, hot and cold. Again, the 6-gallon hot water here. Let's go inside because I am desperate to see what's the inside of the 20BS. Folks, I'm so excited. And I tell you why I'm so excited, because this is the first Geo Pro with the bedroom slide out. And everybody thought, oh, Geo Pro with the bedroom slide, that's mean it's heavy. No. The dry weight of this unit is 3793. 3,700 pound, 93, the dry weight of this unit with a bedroom slide. Now, another advantage for you on this Geo Pro is the separations on the unit. So you have a nice dining L lounge here. So you could sit, enjoy the seating. You could sit over here. Look, watch, folks. I could sit here, enjoy the eating, and a nice 27-inch smart TV facing me. And I could see the TV where I'm sitting. There are people, they could sit here. A nice eating table. The people, they could eat that way if they want to sit, or you want to sit, you could eating more. It's a perfect for pop and mom trailers, or if you want to bring somebody with you. But this is perfect for 2 people. They like to have a nice slide out in the living, in the bedroom, and more kitchen counter space. Because look at the kitchen counter space. Let's be honest. Look, you have a plenty room on the right-hand side. You have a nice square country sink, as you see. You have a nice 3-burner range on the unit. You have a nice convection microwave on the unit. Tinsel doors, more storage, and more storage, solid with cabinet, kitchen hood with a light, TV, and then you have the Wi-Fi antenna in the top. Also more storage here. You could use it as a pantry if you like, or for dishes. You have 3 windows in this little tiny corner. You have the 1800-watt inverter, the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator with a freezer. And all that in 3,700 pounds. Let's be honest. Where are you going to find 3,700 pounds with a bedroom slide? And then this is like this. You close it. You have full privacy. Nobody could see. And then you have 2 AC. This is what just take my blog minding. This AC for the kitchen and the dining And then you have a nice solid door. Nobody could see what is behind. Nobody see what is there. Nobody see the bathroom. Nobody see my bedroom. And if I want to open it, voila. I have a beautiful, solid 60 by 80 queen bed on a slide out on a Geo Pro. Easy to get to the bed. Don't tell me you cannot fix this bed. A lot of storage. And people, they don't realize, 2 TVs, 2 ACs and 2 TVs. Look how roomy it is. Look how roomy it is. I could sleep 2 big guys with a USB plug, reading light, solid solid cabinet in the top, my own AC in the bedroom, my 32-inch TV in the bedroom, as well my 27-inch in the kitchen dining. I have big closets. I mean, come on, look, big closet. A nice shelf with multifunction USB and 110. Doors for socks, underwears, makeup, lady to put her stuff. And then also, beside all this, they give you even a pocket door. Now you have a nice pocket door over here. It's a barn door. It's really amazing. And also, if you want, you just bring it back and close it so nobody see. Voila. So the beautiful pocket, and then this one, nobody realized, look how big the storage. Whole storage. And again, you could see it's accessible both way. This is the 20 BS Rockwood. And then if you will close this door, you have master suite. So you have your own medicine cabinet, sink, big shelf pantry, storage underneath, porcelain toilet, big showers with a skylight, and big one for all. So you could see this unit, how nice it is, how it's open, and it's a perfect 20 BS Rockwood Geo Pro bedroom slide, 2 ACs, 3700 dry weight, loaded. Come to Best RV and grab it. Coming in.